Guys, if you are currently on Hamster Kombat, not the Mortal Kombat that you fight for your life, Hamster Kombat where you fight for your pocket and you increase your coin and you increase your earning and your source of income. All right, let's get down. So on this particular video, I'm teaching you guys on how to refer your friends. It is very easy how to refer your friends on Hamster Kombat. If you're out there, you have friends that are billing you, asking you for money up and down, and you have parents, you have sisters, in fact you have siblings and relatives, anyone, both your enemies. So please share the link to also your enemy. The reason, because if your enemy is not poor, he won't have a reason to beef you. So your enemy is broke and he hates seeing you doing well. So also give the link out to your enemy so that your enemy can do well and leave you alone. All right, so this is how to invite your friends, your foes, your enemies. So over down you can see this at the down option, you can see Bybit exchange, then you can see mine, then you can see friends. Click on the friends, then you click on invite a friend, and let me read this thing. Say invite friends, you and your friends will receive bonuses. Invite a friend, 5,000 plus 5,000 for you and your friend. Invite a friend with Telegram Premium, 25,000 for you and your friend. So all right, so just click on the invite a friend, then then click on the Hamster Kombat again, the boat. Then you can see it right here. This is the link. Something was there just now. I think I mistakenly removed it, so let me take it back to the beginning. Let's take it back. So once you are logged in to Hamster Kombat, so all you need to do is click on the friends, click on invite a friend, click on the Hamster Kombat again, then you can see now. So I'm just going to copy, select all, copy, and forward to all your friends. So let me forward to one of my group, so in case there are enemies there who have hatred on me. So Hamster Kombat. So this has to do this. So forwarded. So forward it to everybody you know. Invite your friends, your family, your foes. So this adds when you invite a friend on Hamster Kombat. And remember, whenever you invite, you also get a little coins for inviting. So there are different tasks that needs you to get like 6 referrals before you can get perform those tasks. So make sure you invite enough people before launch. So there's no actual date for launch yet. They say they're working on listing. So all right, see you guys on my next video.